Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a kind of combined one. The first part is a luxury sale unboxing because the sales are in full force at the moment and I did do a little bit of shopping. So I'm going to show you exactly what I got. So that's what's in this enormous box right here. So there are 2 bags, 1 pair of shoes and also a couple of accessories. And then the second part of the video is going to be a quick sale roundup of all the best ones happening right now because there are a ton of them. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get going. So everything is in this box. It's very heavy and very large, so I'm not going to hold it up. Everything came from Louisa Via Roma. They are having their annual sale right now, so I think they are having a clearance, but they're also doing a site-wide code where you can take up to 40% off the entire site, which is amazing. There are some exclusions, and those are marked with a star, I think, but there are still lots of things included as well. So that's the sale that I took advantage of, so I'm going to be showing you what I snagged. Everything is in here. It came super quickly, which I was very pleased about because I could do this video. I have had a little sneak peek of some of the items, but the others I was very good and I didn't look. So this is everything. It's all just nestled in there. So I think the sale is they've actually increased it. So the sale I shopped was up to 30% site-wide and they increased it after I placed my order. Celebi. So now it's up to 40% site-wide and it's a tiered thing. So I think it's from 20% to 40% and then you just use a code. So if you want to shop it, I'll leave the code and all the details down below. Okay, so these are the shoes. They are Valentino shoes. I have actually bought a variety of these before and I ended up returning them because I didn't think they were that flattering and I just couldn't really make them work. And then I saw this model, which are a bit adjusted, and I knew these were exactly what I was waiting for. So they are part of the Rockstud line, but they're not the classic Rockstud heels. So you have the dust bag and all the care cards. And then if you can see them, okay, I'm gonna tidy that in a second. They are the Rockstud sandals, and the previous ones I got were the ones with the 3 straps. They're like proper gladiators. They went all the way up and I just didn't find them as flattering as I wanted them to be, so I ended up returning them. And then I saw these and they were included in the sale and I was like, okay, this is a sign, I think. So these ones are very similar, but they only have the 1 strap, and generally speaking I always prefer fewer straps just because I think it's more flattering on the foot and on the leg, and I thought these were ideal. They have a little bit of a heel but nothing too crazy, so easy to walk around in. I just got them in the Poudre colour, so nice and nude. I have this colour in the higher Rockstud heels and they literally go with everything, so I love the colour. It's so easy to pair and I thought these are absolutely gorgeous, so I can't wait to wear these. I'm confident that they are going to be much more suited to me than the other ones that I tried, and yeah, I'm very excited about them. I'm very excited that I got them at a discount as well because you can't always necessarily find the Rockstuds in the colour you want and the size and everything else at a discount, so I was very pleased to have found these. And next up are a pair of sunglasses. So you may recognise them from the box, but these are from Karen Walker. She always has the very iconic box, and I bought these because I have another pair of Karen Walker sunglasses. They're called the Starburst, I believe. I always get asked about them, but they were discontinued a really long time ago and I actually just found mine at an outlet store. Absolutely love them. They're what I wear like 99% of the time. I just think they're so cute and they also fit my face quite well. I don't have much of a nose, so a lot of sunglasses really slip down, so those are just ideal for me and I love them to bits. But I also got very nervous because they're discontinued and I know I'm not going to be able to get another pair, so I've been on the lookout for not necessarily a replacement, just an alternative that I can also wear to reduce the usage of the other ones and also to make it not so heartbreaking if something did happen to those. So I found these also from Karen Walker and I thought they looked like a really good alternative. So I saw these and I thought they were very cute, kind of similar. They're not quite as pointy at the edges, but almost kind of wacky, but I like kind of wacky sunglasses. I'm not a very crazy dresser, so I go a little bit bolder with my sunglasses. Not that these are particularly crazy, but I love the pattern. I think they're very cute. I love the colouring. They have a thinner arm as well. I just thought these are very cute. I will take this off and like show a clip of me trying them on. But yeah, very happy with these. I only have good things to say about Karen Walker sunglasses. They always are really great. I've tried on a few different pairs and they always fit really brilliantly. So highly recommend the line, and I'm very happy with my new addition. And next up is probably the heaviest bag reveal I have ever done on this channel. By heaviest, I mean literally the weight. This is like incredibly heavy. Looks can be deceiving, but it's from Sophia Webster, who is usually a shoe designer. I believe she has branched out into bags. Well, obviously she's branched out into bags, so I have one of hers right here. And the packaging is just beautiful. Comes in this lovely dusky rosy pink dust bag with gold writing. Super cute. And inside is a little clutch. This is quite blingy, so it's definitely a statement, not for those who like your accessories to be really subtle, but it's this beautiful pearl clutch. So there's pearls all the way over it with these little sparkle bits in between, and then on the top you have the two bigger pearls as well, and it just opens. It kind of is a magnet, and you just kind of lift this and then it opens it. It's not massive on the inside, but it's enough to fit your essentials. So I did take the measurements before ordering, so you have the little Sophia Webster sign right there, and then you have a pocket as well, so you can fit in your phone and keys, cards, maybe a lipstick or two, things like that inside. So I am very happy with this. I wasn't expecting it to be quite as heavy as it is. It's definitely a statement one, so you know, this doesn't come under the category of very practical bags, but I actually bought this for my bridal shower that's happening next weekend. I'm wearing a little white dress and I thought this would be absolutely perfect, so I am very excited to wear it. I think it's just going to go perfectly, and I figure if at any time in my life I can wear a big statement accessory, now's the time, right? So I love it. I'm very excited to see the whole outfit come together. Now for a little jewelry purchase as well, and this is from the brand APM Monaco. Not heard of it, I never bought anything from them before, but I saw these and thought they were beautiful. Oh, didn't even notice they came out. So they're just these very dainty, you're absolutely not gonna be able to see those, I will insert a close up, little star earrings. I thought these were beautiful, and gonna be honest, I actually bought these because I came just under the maximum tiered discount. So I was on 20% and I wanted to get up to the maximum 30. It's now maximum 40, but I didn't know that was going to happen. So I wanted to get the 30%. So I had a look around the site and I saw these and I thought they were absolutely beautiful. And because I added these on, I actually ended up saving more money. So I effectively got these for free and I saved a bit more money on everything else. So pro shopping tip for you, definitely if you're just under the next discount tier, have a look around, because you could actually save money and then get something for free that you really like as well. So I was chuffed to bits. I thought these were absolutely beautiful, really pretty, nice event earrings, but you could also wear these for every day as well. It's really sparkly, really dainty, and just very sweet. So very happy with this purchase, not least of which because I effectively got them for free. But yeah, super pleased. And now for my last bag reveal. As you can see, it's from Prada and it's a little dinky one. This is much lighter than the Sophia Webster clutch. And inside, little peek, it's pink. I know I got another pink bag, but I thought this was absolutely adorable. So this is just a little, if I can get it out, Saffiano camera bag. So the strap should be inside. Lots of tissue paper on the inside. Lots of tissue paper. So that's what the inside looks like. It has the fabric lining with a little Prada sign right there. It has a pocket with some little care card details, and then it also has a couple of card slots here, which is a nice little addition, I think. So it's fairly roomy, but it is a mini bag. And here is the strap. And the strap is adjustable as well, which I love. I'm a huge fan of adjustable straps. I wish every bag did them. I don't know why they don't. Yeah, so this is the bag with the straps. So I am planning on wearing this crossbody and be looking at this bag for a while. This one unfortunately wasn't included in the discount code, but everything else I think was. But I've been looking at this one for a while, just before I went on my trip actually, and after having gone on my trip I really confirmed that I wanted something like this. I took a lot of slightly more delicate bags with me and I had to carry so much stuff because I went away for quite a long time, and also I had a lot of wedding stuff to carry as well, so my bags got a little bit squished. So I've been on a major de-squishing mission. I've been padding them out, but because of that I wanted something a little bit more hardy, and I thought this would be perfect. It is in the Saffiano leather, which I'm always kind of 50-50 on. Sometimes I really like it, sometimes I really don't like it, but for something like this I just wanted a good little bag that would be good for travel, something really carefree that I would be able to wipe clean and not worry about it denting or squishing or anything like that, and I thought this was perfect. So it's a really good size, so really good if you just want to, you know, carry your essentials whilst traveling, or just, you know, on a day out or anything like that. I think it's absolutely adorable. They also do this in black and also a few other colours as well, but I obviously went for pink. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. I think it's absolutely beautiful and exactly what I wanted. Onto the sale part of the video now, and I have a whole list of sales that I want to mention that have either gone live or will be going live later on in the week. But I first wanted to mention this one. This Cult Gaia bag is included in the Louisa Via Roma sale, and these aren't always included in sales, often they're excluded, so I wanted to specifically call this out because I know a few of you were considering getting this. I've been loving mine. I think it's super fun, much more comfortable than I thought as well. I was worried it was going to be very uncomfortable, but I haven't found that to be true. I just think it's the cutest summer bag. So if you've been interested in this, it is included in the Louisa Via Roma discount, which I will list all details of below, as well as a lot of Jimmy Choos as well, including some beautiful Emily pumps, which are the ones that I'm wearing for my wedding in this amazing glitter. So they have a ton to choose from, so check it out if you like Jimmy Choos, because they have a good selection. Tory Burch are also having a sale, and they have included their McGraw tote. This is US only, unfortunately, at the moment. I am keeping my eyes peeled for a UK sale. If I see these on sale in the UK, I will let you guys know and probably update my blog post, but at the moment it's US only. But they do have these in a few different colours, including a gorgeous baby blue, which I wish I got mine the baby blue because I love it. They have the pink as well, and also a few others. So the McGraw tote is on sale, as well as shoes, jewellery, clothing. As usual, they have quite a few things included in the sale, so if you've been eyeing up one of these, I so highly recommend them. I think it's such a great work bag. Then definitely check out the Tory Burch sale. And a big one that will be live by the time this video goes up is the Essence sale. Essence always do really huge bag sales. They sell other things as well, but their sales are particularly good for bags. I know last Black Friday they had the biggest bag sale of any retailer I saw. Their discounts aren't huge, so you're not going to get like 40%, but you can definitely get 15 to 25%, I say. And what's really great is the selection of bags they include, so bags that usually aren't included in sales. So you have Saint Laurent wallet on chains, you have Prada bags, you have Fendi, just a huge selection. It is global, but the UK selection isn't nearly as good, unfortunately. So if you're in the US or Canada, then you're in luck. I am planning a blog post which should be live by the time this video goes up, with my selection of the best sale picks, so I will link that down below if you want to check it out. The UK ladies, Selfridges is having their sale as well, and it's going live on Thursday this week. So I believe it's both in-store and online. So if you live near a Selfridges, you can pop in-store. Otherwise, you can check it out online. And I think they should be including quite a few handbags, but I also think it's just a general sale as well. And on a clothing front, Shopbop and Nordstrom are having their sales. Shopbop is having up to 40% off. I think Nordstrom is up to 40% off as well. And they're both kind of semi-annual sales. So Shopbop is having a big summer clearance. So if you're going on holiday or just want to shop for summer in general, that is a good one to look at. And Nordstrom are having their semi-annual sale as well, where just a ton is included. Shoes, bags, clothing, a bit of everything. And finally, quite a few department stores or department store-like online shops are having their sales as well. So Neiman Marcus and Saks Fifth Avenue in the US are launching their sales, and those are their designer clearances with up to 40% off, and that includes bags, shoes and clothing. Nessa Porter are also having their sale in the US. In the UK, they had launched and have now ended their private sale, so I'm not sure if they're going live with a public one, but if I find out about it, then I will update my blog post. And then finally, My Teresa as well is also going live later on in the week with their sale, so keep an eye out if you like any of those stores. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me, then leave them down below, and if you like sale videos and general unboxings, then please do give this a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.